Welcome to another video in which we are going to learn about making text subscript in HTML using the sub tag. So guys, basically the content within the sub starting tag and the ending tag will be written in the subscript. So the font size used is the same as the characters surrounding it, but is displayed half the character's height beneath the other characters. So let us check this with the help of example. Now in the VS Code over here, what we will do is we will have another statement inside the paragraph tag. So over here we will have the P tag in this case, and then we will say this text is subscript over here in this paragraph. So guys, this is a single statement that we have included inside the paragraph. Let me just save this file now and try reloading this page over here. So as you can see, this simple statement is being displayed as a paragraph. Now what we will do is this particular word, that is subscript, we want to display it as the subscript inside this paragraph. So guys, what is the difference between the subscript and the superscript? So previously we had seen that the sup tag can be used in order to display the subscript in this way, which is displayed on the top. Now similarly, we will be using the sub tag in this case in order to display the subscript word on the bottom right of this is word over here. So guys, let us make these changes in the VS Code. So what we have to do is, so we need to enclose this subscript word between the sub starting and the ending tag. So we will simply have the less than symbol, and then we will type sub, and then we will have the greater than symbol over here. And then what we have to do is, I'll just cut this ending tag and paste this over here after this subscript word. So let me just save this file now and try reloading this page once again. So as you can see, the subscript is being displayed. So it says this text is, and then we have this subscript in this paragraph. Now guys, this is the example with one word. We can have multiple words as well being displayed as the subscript. So what we have to do is, we need to include those words within the sub starting and the ending tags. So over here we say subscript on bottom. So basically we have three words over here as subscript. When we save this file now and try reloading this page once again, so as you can see, subscript on bottom is being displayed as the subscript. Guys, the height of this subscript is half the height of the other characters that is being displayed normally in this paragraph, but the font size is same whenever these superscripts and subscripts are being displayed in the HTML. So guys, comment in the comment section below if you have learned something out of this video. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is inserted text in HTML. So stay tuned.